सुबह साई 3.5 रेड एफएम। मेरा नाम है ऋषि कपूरिया, मुंबई लोकल। आज मुझे गुड कंपनी दे रहे हैं ऋषि नथानी, जो कि हैं हेड इन बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट एंड मार्केटिंग एट MCX। और इन्वेस्टमेंट के बारे में इतनी हमारी बात हो रही थी, पहले इनके बारे में जानते हैं। हेलो, वेलकम। हाय ऋषि, फ्रॉम ऋषि।
हाय, दिस इज ऋषि नथानी, हेड बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट एंड मार्केटिंग एट MCX।
तो ऋषि जी, मुझे बताएं कि कमोडिटीज में इन्वेस्ट कैसे करते हैं, व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ डूइंग दिस। ये कोई भी कर सकता है क्या? मैं भी कर सकता हूँ?
It's very simple actually. Like you invest in equities, you just open an account with your stockbroker and you can thereafter start buying and selling commodities like you buy and sell equities. And with commodities, there is an advantage that you can, like in equities, you take demat delivery. Here also you can take demat delivery. For example, if you're buying gold, you can take the gold in demat delivery, whether it is 1 gram, 8 grams, 100 grams or a kg. And if you need physical delivery, you can also take physical delivery. So there is best of both worlds for an investor here. Well, there are a lot of benefits from investing in commodities. First of all, commodity investing can be used to diversify one's portfolio. So, like in a meal, if you have one more item, the meal becomes more tasty. Similarly, in your portfolio, if you add commodities, your portfolio also becomes more stable and more diversified, which reduces the overall risk of your portfolio. Also, commodities act as a hedge against inflation. So whenever you invest in commodities, you protect your portfolio against inflation. And the commodities are linked to the actual economy. So whenever you invest in commodities and if the economy is doing well, normally you would expect that commodities would also do well. So there are long-term benefits of investing in commodities, and also for internationally referenced commodities like, say, for example, gold, there's also a hedge inbuilt of the foreign currencies. So there are various benefits of investing in commodities, and that is why it is always recommended that according to your time horizon and risk profile, you should also add commodities to your portfolio.
तो जो स्टेक होल्डर्स होते हैं, उनको कमोडिटी ट्रेडिंग कैसे हेल्प करती है, मतलब ओवरऑल इकोनॉमी की तरफ देखें तो?
So commodity markets have a direct impact on the overall economy. They help in price discovery and price risk management. So for example, like a company will manufacture some goods, they will want, or a farmer will grow some crops, they will want a good price, a proper price for their goods. Now that proper price is discovered when people trade in commodity markets. That price is discovered on commodity markets. Also, say for example, a producer wants to hedge his production for a few months down the line, or a consumer wants to hedge his consumption for a few months down the line, then they can do it on commodity exchanges. So basically, if you don't want volatility in your production or your input costs, it is best to hedge. So I'll give you a simple example. A jeweler, his business is to buy gold, convert it into jewelry and sell that jewelry. The business profit is of the making charges. Now, if the jeweler buys gold, keeps in the showroom in form of ornaments, and if till the time he sells it, if he does not hedge, then if the price of gold goes up, he makes astronomical profit. But if the price goes down, he makes loss. So for whenever he buys the gold, if he hedges on the exchange, and then when he sells the ornament, he unhedges, then he will make sure that the business does well and he does not have to see so much volatility in his profitability.
तो इसमें भी कोई डूज एंड डोंट्स होते होंगे, ये तो बिल्कुल मत करना, ये तो कभी मत, ये जरूर करना?
No, it's very simple. The do's and don'ts for overall investing, whether it's commodities and for other things, is that you should always trade through registered members of an exchange. You should insist on filling up a standard KYC form, a Know Your Client form. You will get a unique client code and trade within that unique client code. You should obtain a copy of all the documents you've signed. You should cross-check genuineness of the trades you've done through the exchange website and insist on a contract note. You should pay the collaterals timely and insist on pay in and payout timely. So the duties and responsibilities of both the client and member should be followed properly. And most importantly, the biggest do for any investor is that you invest with knowledge. There is a lot of information available on the exchange websites and on various other fora on the internet, and otherwise there are a lot of books. Please read, understand, and then only invest, because you should always investigate and then invest, and not vice versa. Please don't trade through unregistered intermediaries, which is also called dabba trading. Don't do off-market transactions, and don't get lured by hot tips and guarantees of assured returns that someone will tell you I'll double your money in 3 months or 6 months. That is not possible. So please trade with knowledge and trade with authorized intermediaries. That is my advice to you.
भाई हमारे लिसनर्स को आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे, मतलब यू नो हु आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू ट्रेड, सेफली इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं, व्हाट वुड बी दैट वन फाइनल पार्टिंग टर्म?
मैं तो एक ही बात बताना चाहूंगा कि मैं चाहता हूं कि सबका वित्तीय भविष्य बहुत उज्जवल हो, और इसलिए आप सब जब भी इन्वेस्ट करें, किसी चीज में भी निवेश करें तो समझ के निवेश करें, उसका ज्ञान प्राप्त करके निवेश करें, ताकि आपको कभी झटका न लगे, आपके नुकसान न हो और आप आगे बढ़ते रहें, आपकी जीवन में आपके इन्वेस्टमेंट्स की वृद्धि होती रहे और आप सब खुश रहें और इस कोरोना काल में सेफ रहें, मास्क लें और जितना जरूरत हो उतना ही बाहर निकले। मैं यही सबसे आशा करता हूं कि कोरोना काल के बाद हम सब वापस नॉर्मल जीवन जी सकेंगे।
जी हाँ, हम भी यही मतलब तमन्ना है हमारी कि जल्दी से ओल्ड नॉर्मल वापस जाएं। एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर एक्सप्लेनिंग एवरीथिंग अबाउट कमोडिटी ट्रेडिंग। थोड़ा सा हमको भी इस पर लाइट मिली, सो ज़रूर से आपको याद करेंगे, आपको हिचके आएंगे जब हम ये करेंगे। एंड कीप डूइंग द गुड वर्क एंड कीप गिविंग मी गुड कंपनी लाइक दिस। बजाते रहो। मेरा नाम है ऋषि कपूर।